What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Essential C complex. This is Paleovalley's vitamin C supplement. Now, I want to share a few facts with you about vitamin C before I share with you the ingredients in this formula and what I like about it and the changes that I've noticed in my health and wellness by utilizing this product. So, vitamin C is the most researched antioxidant or vitamin in the entire world. There's literally tens of thousands of studies on vitamin C. So if you were gonna say, I wanna take one vitamin or one singular nutrient to improve my health, vitamin C is truly your best bet, simply because there's more research on vitamin C proving its efficacy in improving health of human beings more than any other vitamin. So with that being said, there are several different benefits. There are many benefits from vitamin C, but I'll cover a few of the main ones in this video and then share with you the ingredients in this formula and break it down so you can understand why it is so effective. First and foremost, vitamin C, of course, we all know is beneficial for our immune systems. Our immune systems are located 70% in our gut. So not only is vitamin C beneficial for the immune system, which is in our gut, but also for gut healing and gut repair. So if you have any gut issues, such as leaky gut or just gut dysbiosis, and you need gut support and more integrity within your gut, vitamin C is one of the best vitamins that you can possibly take. And you want to make sure that your vitamin C is from a whole food source, which I'll get to when I discuss the ingredients inside the Essential C complex formula from Paleovalley. So number one, we have immunity and gut healing and gut repair. Additionally, we have collagen production. Collagen is what makes up our hair, our skin, our nails, even our gut lining. Collagen is important because it's basically a blend of different amino acids that come together to form collagen, and this is what makes you stay young and youthful and reduces fine lines and wrinkles and things like that. So vitamin C is essential for that as well. The third big benefit, or fourth benefit I think now, is mitochondrial energy. Your mitochondria is the powerhouse of your cell. It produces ATP. This is the energy currency of the cell. And when you have enough vitamin C, this supports your mitochondrial health, which then can produce more ATP, which gives your body more readily available sourced energy. So your natural energy levels are higher, and this is a good thing because we want to be full of energy, life, and vitality, don't we? Obviously. The last benefit, and there are many more, but I'll just share a few of them in this video with you, is vitamin C improves your iron absorption. Many people who are anemic, for example, have low iron, or they don't have the ability to absorb iron properly. So if you are anemic or you're low in iron, maybe you just need to enhance your iron absorption by getting more vitamin C in your diet, because vitamin C acts as a cofactor nutrient to enhance and optimize your iron absorption. So with that being said, vitamin C is very essential for your health and wellness. I have noticed by taking this formula, which by the way includes Acerola Cherry, unripe fruit, which is highest in vitamin C, Amla Berry fruit, which is another source of vitamin C, and then Camu Camu berry fruit. By the way, Camu Camu fruit, or Camu Camu berry, which is also in the Radiate 21 formula, it used to be the highest source of vitamin C in the world. Now it's number 2 because there's a fruit in Australia that was found to have a higher source of vitamin C. But between the three of these, you have plenty of vitamin C. You're getting 500% of your daily vitamin C with 2 capsules. So 1 capsule is 250% of your daily value. I typically do 1 capsule a day. Some days I do 2. And actually what I do, I'll actually show you. I don't take it like a regular pill. What I do is I take it out like this. And I just did this one day intuitively because I was like, I like the Camu Camu cherry and amla ingredients, and I know that Camu Camu has this really interesting flavor. I know all these have an interesting flavor, so what I do is I pop it open. Ooh, wow. That is good. It's bitter, but in a good way. Like, it sort of wakes your brain up, and I love that. So I don't take it like a regular pill. In fact, it's like candy to me. It literally tastes amazing. So when you get this supplement, if you are a fan of like sour and bitter, pop open the capsules and take it like that because you'll be astonished. Additionally, another thing that I do is I take these, I pop open the capsules, I mix it in Paleovalley's lemon lime electrolyte essential electrolytes mix. So the essential electrolytes with the essential vitamin C, I put that into water and I stir that up and mix it. And it is a sweet, salty, tangy, like citrusy, delicious blend that has vitamin C and electrolytes. So it's absolutely delicious. And then you can just throw the capsule away because you don't need it. I will say, one thing I've noticed ever since I started taking this supplement is my skin and my hair are softer. I've noticed my skin and my hair, the softness of them has increased by like 20-30%. I kid you not. I have just like on my face and in my hair, ever since I started taking this supplement, I just noticed my skin and my hair are softer, which I absolutely love. And I just feel slightly more mentally aware and alert, especially when I taste it like that, because by the way, you have different enzymes and acids in your mouth. And if you're just taking a pill, it benefits your body, of course. But if you actually taste the powder like I just did like that, you're gonna get even more of a benefit because it's gonna get into your bloodstream under your tongue, and then the acids and enzymes in your mouth will encode that powder and you'll actually absorb it at a higher level. So, and it tastes great. It's got like a candy flavor. It's literally like a candy supplement. So it's like hiding inside of the capsule. So you gotta try it out. Anyways, I highly recommend this. It's fairly cheap. It's good to have vitamin C on hand. Your kids will love it. In fact, I think most kids would like that powder flavor if you mix it in like the essential electrolyte formula and make a sort of electrolyte, like Gatorade sort of mix that's natural instead. Your whole family will love the combination of both these. So I love Paleovalley. All their products are amazing. You can't go wrong with this. Honestly, this is the best vitamin C supplement that I have found. And like I said, vitamin C is the most researched antioxidant, most researched vitamin of all time. So check that out in the description below. I'll put the link below to give you 15% off this formula. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, check out healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put the link below in the description. I vet health and wellness brands. Paleovalley is one of them. I recommend everything from this brand. They're amazing, except for their pork sticks, because I don't eat pork. It's the only thing I don't recommend. But I recommend everything from this brand. And there's many brands like that are super high quality. Supplements, superfood brands, fitness products, health products, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, health technology, barefoot minimalist shoes, and so much more. If you want to learn more about those brands and get discounts on these brands, check out that link in the description. Make sure to subscribe to Wellstar Reviews for more health and wellness product reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.